This video will explain how to set the totalizer unit of measure and zero the totalizer values. For the MV series of converters, the procedure is easily made. To access the menu system, short press Enter from any of the initial displays. Input an access code level of 3 or above. Then short press Enter. The access codes can be found in each of the respective converter manuals. From the Quick Start menu, short press the up arrow to select the main menu line. Then short press Enter. In the main menu, short press the right arrow to move to menu 2 Units. Short press Enter. Move to the first totalizer T+ line and short press Enter. Use the up arrow to change the unit between metric and imperial. Short press Enter to save. Short press the right arrow to move to the lower T+ line and press Enter. Use the up arrow to change the unit. Short press Enter to save. Long press Enter to escape to the main menu. To zero the totalizers, repeatedly short press the right arrow to move to the Functions menu. Press Enter. Select the totalizer line to 0. Then short press Enter. Long press Enter to confirm. Short press Enter to close the completion message. Repeatedly long press Enter to return to the initial measurement displays to see the changes.